Katie. I hope you all are staying healthy. Today we are going to talk about quasi-rent. Concept of quasi-rent is given by Alfred Marshall. According to Marshall, during short time period, we can receive rent from man-made machineries when its demand exceeds than supply. According to Marshall, during short time period, we can receive rent from man-made machineries when its demand exceeds than supply. For example, suddenly demand for specific type of machine increase. Obviously, during short time period, immediately we cannot increase its supply. That's why owner of machine will temporarily only for short time period increase the prices of machine, and this additional price will be called quasi rent. One most important thing, we receive quasi rent only for a short time period because immediately we cannot increase the supply, but during a long time period we can increase the supply. As supply increase, price reduce, eventually quasi rent will be disappear during long time period. We receive quasi rent only for short time period. Now we'll say formula of quasi rent. TR minus TVC. That means when we minus total variable cost from total revenue, it will become equal to quasi rent. In this diagram, on x-axis we have output, y-axis we have price, revenue and cost. This horizontal line represents average revenue and marginal revenue. This one is average variable cost. This one is short-term average cost. This one is short-term marginal cost. So here you can see OSGQ. This part will be called total variable cost, and OPEQ. This part will be called total revenue. When we minus total variable cost from total revenue, it will become equal to quasi rent. That means when we minus OSGQ part from OPEQ part, it will become equal to quasi rent. So when we minus OPEQ from OSGQ, it will become equal to, here you can see, it will become equal to SPEG. That's why we can say that SPEG, this part, SPEG, this whole part will be called quasi rent, which we receive during short time period. So as we earlier discussed, SPEG, this whole part will be called quasi rent. Here you can see quasi rent consists of two parts. First is SRFG. Second is RPEF. SRFG means, this part means total fixed cost which you cannot change during short time period. That's why it will not influence your profit. You can easily receive it. Second is RPEF. This part means supernormal profit which you are receiving during short time period, because demand for your product is continuous increasing, but you cannot increase supply. That's why you are charging a higher price, and this higher price giving you profit that is equal to RPEF. So quasi rent is made up of two parts, SRFG, which is your total fixed cost, and RPEF, this will be called your supernormal profit which you receive during short time period. So this is all about quasi rent. I think you got it, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, take care.